All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today, I told you that we're going to be running our contract and using our breakpoint function, so I can actually show you what that looks like. So we're going to get our contract pulled up. We're not going to do any light reading. We're just going to get in there, get our contract ran. If you can see here, I uncommented out the let's get in there, get this run really quickly. I uncommented out the print also, so I can show you what's going to happen because we have a breakpoint here and the print comes after. So we'll see what happens after we initialize this breakpoint. Let's see if we still get a print after we initialize the breakpoint. We shouldn't because this is where we're putting the break inside the actual contract. So we want everything to stop right here so we can analyze everything that came before. We don't want to run anything after this point while it's called a breakpoint. So we'll see what happens. So we're running the function now. It shouldn't take that long. Again, I didn't open anything else. We're not reading anything because I want this to run pretty smoothly, pretty quickly. So it should pick up soon here. So we'll see. And again, we should get all this information here inside of the function, inside of the main function, up into this breakpoint here, and nothing after. That's why I uncommented out the print, just so I can show you as an example. We shouldn't print out any favorites contract information. So let's let that get loaded up, and we'll see. If it takes too long, I'll just start the video over and print it out beforehand or compile it beforehand so I can show you what it looks like. Because it's still compiled. Here we go. So we have the first thing, long live gates. I mean, as you can see here, we have our breakpoint, and then it drops this into our PDB shell, so we can analyze everything that came before. As you can notice, we don't have any of the favorites contract information from this print right here because we stopped at this point, so we don't have anything here beyond. That's why we don't throw an error like we were yesterday. You can see we have all of the information that came beforehand, our bytecode, our ABI code, all of that information. So all of this information got compiled, and then we stopped here at the breakpoint. Nothing afterwards got compiled, as you can tell, with the print function. It didn't work. So that's basically how a breakpoint works. Like I said, anywhere you put it in the code, it's going to be a stopping point. It's going to stop us at that point in the contract so we can analyze everything that came before, and we're not going to compile anything after that. So that's basically what the breakpoint looks like. So with that being done, we're going to move forward. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.